Before you throw away your JBL Flip 7, stop for a moment. If your speaker won't turn on, no lights, no sound, completely dead, this video might save you from wasting money. In this video, I'll walk you through the real fixes that actually work. No nonsense, no myths, just what brings these speakers back to life. Most people don't realize that JBL speakers enter protection mode whenever something goes wrong. If the battery is deeply drained, if the power button membrane is stuck, or if a firmware glitch occurs, the speaker simply refuses to turn on. Sometimes the cause is much simpler: a weak charger, a faulty USB-C cable, or dust blocking the charging port. These tiny issues often make the speaker appear completely dead. Start with the basics. Use a charger with at least 2 amps because weak chargers fail to wake JBL batteries. Try a different USB-C cable. It sounds simple, but it fixes nearly half of the dead speaker cases. Check the charging port as well. A bit of dust or lint can block the connection. Clean it gently with a toothpick or compressed air. After plugging it in, let the speaker charge for at least 10 to 15 minutes before pressing the power button. Sometimes all it needs is a little time to recover from low voltage. If it still won't turn on, try a hard reset. Hold the volume up and Bluetooth buttons for 10 to 15 seconds. Release, and then press the power button normally. If you see a quick flash or hear a soft click, the reset worked. This clears out firmware glitches that prevent the speaker from powering on. Now here's something many people don't know. Sometimes a firmware update can fix power issues. JBL occasionally releases updates that fix bugs, charging problems, and power glitches. If your Flip 7 turns on only while plugged in, or turns on sometimes but not always, updating the firmware can solve it instantly. To do this, download the JBL Portable App on your phone. Connect your speaker while it's plugged into the charger. Once the app detects your Flip 7, it will automatically show an update message if a new firmware version is available. Tap Update, keep the speaker connected, and let the process complete. After the update, restart the speaker. Many users report that their dead speaker suddenly starts working normally again. If your Flip 7 is still not responding, tell me exactly what symptoms you see. Does it blink orange? Does it turn off immediately? Does it show no lights at all? Comment your exact issue and I'll help you with a personalized fix. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech repair guides, and check out my next video on how to fix JBL speakers that won't charge.